Are your pads expired? Battery door missing? We're here to help. In this video, we'll walk through how to replace your pad cartridge and your battery door. Let's start with the pad cartridge. Your new pad cartridge will arrive with instructions printed on the box. So let's get started with step 1. First, remove the battery door. This prevents Elliot from triggering an emergency response while you work. Make sure to keep your battery door close so it doesn't get misplaced. Next, turn Elliot over. Lift the red handle, then slide the old pad cartridge out. Now we need to remove the connector. To do this, pinch the connector on the right side and slide it out. Place the old or used pads to the side. Step 2. Grab your new cartridge from the box. Hold the connector and insert the left side first so it hooks underneath. Then push firmly on the right side until it clicks in place. To help the cartridge close properly, gather loose wire and tuck it underneath. Then slide the cartridge into the grooves until you hear a snap. Now on to step 3. Elliot is almost ready to go. Flip Elliot back over and snap the red handle into place. You may need to press it in a bit more to make sure it sits flush with the device. Take the battery door and screw it back in clockwise. Once it's secure, Elliot will turn on and complete a startup sequence and self-check.
Hello, I am Elliot, your personal adult and child life-saving device.
Let Elliot complete its sequence. Once the device confirms everything is working with no issues, you're all set and ready to go.
Just completed a self-check. I am ready to help.
Dispose of your used pads as medical waste and your replacement is complete. That's it. Now, as you can see, the battery door is small and easy to misplace. And we understand things happen. So if you ever need to replace your battery door, we're here to walk you through that as well. Similar to your pad cartridge, your new battery door will also arrive with instructions printed on the box. And since you're already at step 1, it's a great time to check your batteries and replace them if needed. Hearthero's Elliot AED uses 4 CR123 store-bought batteries. No specialty batteries, nothing hard to find. Just pick them up at your local grocery store. Insert the Duracell batteries with the negative side going in first and the positive side facing outward. Then grab your new battery door, flip up the tab and place it into position. Then pull or twist the battery door out. The Hearthero battery door is gold-plated, corrosion-resistant, and sealed with a small rubber O-ring that helps keep dust and water out. Double check that the O-ring is still in place before securing the door. Step 3. Attach and secure. Twist the door clockwise to tighten it. If the battery door is not fully secured, Elliot may not turn on. Make sure the tab lines up with the rubber edging so it sits correctly. Elliot will run through its startup sequence again and complete another self-test. Once you hear that Elliot has passed its test, you are good to go.
I have just completed a self-check. I am ready to help.
Your device is now refreshed and ready, just like the day you first received it. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or simply want more information, visit hearthero.com or email info@hearthero.com and we'd be happy to help.